In front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on All Services right next to Recommended and select Autofill. Finally, Autofill with Google. And if you see this kind of pop-up, continue. Now tap on Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, click on this gear at the top right corner and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Then log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. In order to do that, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. At the top, website, or you can tap on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then input your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finished, just hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!